Ever heard of a human-sized bird that eats baby crocodiles? The prehistoric-looking bird Shoebill is a human-sized African bird that can grow up to 5 feet tall. Shoebill, also known as whale-headed stork, has the third largest beak of any living bird in the world. This incredible creature, one of the strangest birds on the planet Earth. Its giant bill and long, skinny legs make it a formidable ambush predator. It can grab unsuspecting prey and swallow it as a whole. 2015 study published in the journal African Ornithology says catfish is the most common prey of shoebill. Shoebill also feeds largely on eels, snakes, and baby crocodiles.